Hey guys, this is Grace, and today I'm making a video about camps for the blind and the one I'm doing. There are so many camps out there for the blind that have gone virtual, so feel free to sign up. There's APH, there's CSB, there's a lot of them, but today I'm doing the CSB cooking class so I can learn how to cook. And we are going to be making microwavable scrambled eggs. So you'll get this packet, it won't be in a binder, I did that, and it's really simple. You get eggs and add-ons, you crack the 2 eggs in a bowl, microwave for 1 minute, then put in the add-ons, microwave for another minute, and enjoy. Add-ons are salt, pepper, ham, and cheese. So I'm going to do this, and thank you. This is a shout out to CSB for putting on their cooking course. So the first step is to crack 2 eggs. And everybody knows they don't literally mean crack 2 eggs at once. So I'm not the best at cracking eggs. Oh, that worked pretty well. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw that away and wash my hands. You know what? I'm not gonna wash my hands only because I'm about to crack another egg. So I'm just gonna crack that egg and then wash my hands, cause like, that's what you're supposed to do. Oh, okay, this is working much better. Okay. Mama, are there any eggshells in there?
No, you did a good job.
Okay, I did it.
You did it, yay!
I'm gonna wash my hands. And dry them with a paper towel, and then I'm gonna throw away the paper towel. So I have my bowl with 2 eggs, and I'm gonna read my instructions because I'm not sure if I scramble then put the salt or salt but scramble. Let's see. 2 eggs. Okay, so crack eggs into microwave safe bowl. Add salt and pepper to taste good. Scramble. Okay, so I add a pinch of salt and pepper. I don't like pepper, so I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more because some of my pinch fell. All right, now I scramble. Did I scramble this right? I don't think so.
Looks good. Looks good.
Oh, it does? Now I'm gonna put my spoon in the discarded spoon bowl, which eventually ends up in the wash. And then it said to microwave for 1 minute. Actually, I'm gonna check that with my braille fingers, not my scramble the eggs and crack 'em fingers. Wait. Scramble the eggs into okay, microwave for 1 minute. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna hit the buttons and then Mom's gonna stop the video because who wants to watch 1 minute of microwaving? Oops, I'm gonna clear that because I hit the wrong button. Okay, that should be good. 1. Sheesh, there we go. 1 minute, there we go. Okay, I did it. Well, I did the first step, so it has been 1 minute and the bowl's kind of hot. So I'm gonna carefully pick this up.
Do you need to?
You know what? I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my sister, who is sighted, but no hurt feelings. I love my sister.
Do you want a pot holder, or you're gonna just try it like that?
I'm gonna just try it like this. All right, I see how I'm gonna do this. Yay! And we have success with part number 1. It is definitely not ready yet because there is more to do. So I'm gonna get a spoon. Not a knife, a spoon. That was embarrassing. A spoon. And I am going to... Do I add the whole bowl of cheese?
It's for your choice.
All right, I'm gonna add, I love cheese, so I'm gonna add a lot of cheese. And I also really like ham, so yeah, I'm going for it.
She's sending it.
Is that like a new phrase? I think so.
Yeah, it means that you're going all in.
So I'm gonna try to mix, but I don't know how this is gonna work. This is not working. How do I mix this? Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. They say to microwave for 1 minute, so I'm going to. Did I mix that okay?
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the discarded spoon area and microwave for a minute. And then we're all gonna take a bite because, yeah. 1 minute. Here we come. Bye. Go. Me? Okay. So we actually, I guess our microwave cooks fast. So not a 1 minute. The bowl isn't as hot. Whoa, I take that back. It is really hot, but luckily the rim is not really hot, so I can touch it. Yeet. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna let it cool. But I'm also, what do I do with all? And the verdict of the scrambled eggs is, wait. Yeah! Good. I like it. I just cooked my own breakfast.
Yay!
Before you stop the video, I just want to give a shout out and thank you for CSB for making this camp possible. And go sign up. Go sign up for the camp. Go. Bye.